Welcome. In this video I will show you how to scan QR codes on your LENOVO 14e Chromebook. First of all, let's open a camera application on our Chromebook. So go to the launch menu and search for camera. Once you find camera application, you have to open it and then face the QR code to your device's camera. Make sure that it's open so you can see it, and your device should automatically detect the QR code contents. So if it doesn't see it, select scan mode at the bottom of your camera and then switch to QR code in order to manually force the QR code scanning. And so I got the web address as a result, which we can Google using the web browser. So let's enter this web address, and that's what I wanted to reach. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.